Hello everyone, welcome to an academy. Let's crack GATE and ESC with India's largest learning platform. And today we are going to start a journal lecture, how to overcome demotivation. So this is not a particular lecture for any subject and not for any examination. So आप इसकी बात कर सकते हैं. This is for the real life situation. Okay, how you will be motivated. So I will not say how to overcome demotivation. I will say how to motivate yourself. Okay, so let's see. So before that, if you are not downloaded the Unacademy learning app, so please do that. So you will get the free courses and you will get the special classes and the paid courses where you will get the benefit of many things. So these are the paid courses and I will tell you the benefit later. The special class are like the demo classes, okay, where we will teach you a particular subject. Okay, so in the paid course we teach you subject as well as we teach you the strategy and as well as the many things. Like today I'm taking a section on the motivation only. Okay, so just download an Academy learning app and follow me, so you will get the update about my classes and all the courses which I'm going to start. Okay, so my profile, I'm teaching for last 15 years for the GATE and the ESC examination. I have mentored more than 1 lakh student for the GATE and the ESC only. I am the faculty and the director of GATE Forum Jaipur, and this is my referral code LiveDSG. So if you use this referral code, you will get a discount of additional 10% on the course, any paid course on Unacademy. Also, I will provide you the test series of the worth 1200 rupees if you are opting for the 1 year program or the 2 year program. Okay, now what are the benefits of the paid subscription, which we say the plus subscription? First thing, you will have the daily live classes with the many educators, so you can choose your classes according to your time and according to your availability. You can choose the educator because there are so many educators. You can choose the top educator according to your choice. And the structure course, so there are the year-long courses which are beneficial for university examination, as well as there are the crash course also, okay, which will help you for the particular examination which is coming nearby. Now, so we will interact in the live classes. So there are live doubt clearing classes. You can interact with us in the live classes, so you can see that in the special classes. Okay, and you can directly communicate with the faculty. आप सीधे faculty से बात कर सकते हो. There are different group made by the faculty, so you can join them and you can share your problem. Maybe it is regarding to your subject or maybe the journal problem. Other things, what the weekly test and the quizzes, so that every faculty provide the quizzes in that subject, okay, in his course, so you can check your progress and the sufficient question pool, because one subject is taught by more than one faculty, and also this will build your accuracy to take the examination for the GATE and the ESC as well as. And the one very important part, what is the revision and the strategy classes. So we will have the revision classes as well as the crash course. So if the exam is coming near, so you can interact with the toppers, which are the our earlier student, who are our earlier student or former student, or maybe the faculties who has already scored the very good rank. So these are the things which are available only in the paid course. Now, so if you want to go for the paid subscription, so 1 month charge is a 5,000, but I will suggest if you are a third year or fourth year or graduate student, you should go for the 12-month program. So the cost of which is 25,000 and you will get an additional discount of 2,500 if you use my referral code, which is the LiveDSG. And if you are applying for the, you are the second year student, so here you are applying for the GATE 2021, and if you are applying for the GATE 2022, then you should go for the 2 year program, so cost of which is 30,000, and additionally you will get a discount of 3,000 if you use my referral code. So you can see the benefits are, you can have the live classes, you can have the very comprehensive course, which are very detailed course, so which can help in your university examination. Okay, so they are the top educator, so you can have any number of times, so you can revise, you can watch any number of time, and you can watch any branch also. That is also the facility, and we can say this is the cheapest program compared to any other program available in India, and the most economical. So once you use my referral code, so send me the detail on my WhatsApp or my Telegram ID, so I can provide you the test series of the worth 1200 rupees. Okay, now coming to the course, so we are saying what is the cause of demotivation. First, what is the definition of demotivation? So we say lack लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन एन एंथुसियाज्म अबाउट योर वर्क। तो इसका मतलब है आपको अपने काम पसंद नहीं है और आप उतने ज़्यादा एंथुसियास्टिक नहीं है अबाउट योर वर्क, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डीमोटिवेशन। नाउ so what are the reason we are saying cause? What do you want and why? So you don't know why do you want to achieve something and how to achieve that win. So means what is your want and why this is your want. Okay, so and how to do that. So this is the first cause. Now second, your goal are too small or too big means आपने गोल इतने छोटे करें कि वो आपको मोटिवेट नहीं कर पाते, और these are too big that you are just depressed because you cannot achieve that goal. Okay, so means your goal is not specific. Okay, now fear of the failure, this is the most important, and we are saying this is the major reason for the people who are demotivated. Fear of failure. So fear of failure को आप इस तरीके से समझते हैं, अगर मैं फेल हो जाऊं तो क्या होगा. So you assume the situation means the worst situation and you don't take action. So that is a very common reason, fear of failure. And the prone to procrastination means you have made your goal but you are not taking action, and for the last 5 years or maybe you are saying for the so long term, procrastination का मतलब है आप इसको आगे बढ़ा रहे हो, you are not taking the action or means so you are just delaying your action, so that is a procrastination. So this is a major reason for the demotivation also, because you are not achieving anything, so that's why you are saying I am not achieving anything, so let's start after some time. Okay, so these are the 4 reasons. Now let's see how to just, so there are so many reasons. Some people say you are overwhelmed, और इसका मतलब है जनरली आप बहुत ज़्यादा एंथु हैं और कई बार आप बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस है, आपका मेंटल हेल्थ. सो देयर आर सो मेनी रीजन. सो वी आई हैव पुट 4 रीजन विच आर, I think these are the major reason, and all the reason we will include in these part. Okay, now first thing, what and why, that is a very important. Means what do you want and why do you want that thing. So अब ये आता कैसे? So what are the answer of this one? So we will say the first thing, you have to analyze yourself. So now you are analyzing yourself means what are the things I am most passionate about. Means आपको passionate, इसका मतलब है जिसके लिए आपके पास जुनून है. So means you love to do that things and you want to achieve that thing, that is the best thing you want to do. Okay, so that you are passionate means you can do the things in free. So suppose I can see the people, like if somebody like playing cricket, somebody like drama, somebody like a particular arts, so then they are passionate about that thing. Okay, so do you know what is your passion? Now another things, so you can see what is your greatest accomplishment in the life so far. यानी किस एरिया में आपने ऐसा चीज अचीव किया है which is you think is the greatest and then nobody is achieving, or maybe you are saying which is worth, जिसका कुछ worth है आपके लिए. If my life had absolutely means you just assume you can do anything, means because the mental health, or we can say the mind has no limit. So अगर आप ये अज्यूम करें कि मेरे पास कोई ऑब्स्टिकल, कोई हर्डल नहीं हो और आई हैव नो लिमिट, देन व्हाट यू वुड लाइक टू चूज एंड व्हाट वुड आई like to do. So means just you know should know the reply of that thing. Suppose I say I want to be a mountaineer, I want to be in mountains. Okay, I like rock climbing, everything. So अगर मेरे पास पैसे हों बहुत सारे तो I will do that things. Okay, so if you have money, you have all the resources, what you want to do, that is the thing. So what are my goal in the life, what I want to achieve. So that is a very important part. Means that can be your health, so it can be personal goal, it can be your career goal, so it may be financial goal, what you want to achieve, some particular position, some money, monetary, and the family, what do you want to achieve in your family position. Okay, so these are the what your goals. So means goal should be in every area of your life. Okay, and why do you want to achieve that goal? So what are the values? Suppose somebody says some people work in the NGO, they want to help for the people, some go to the police service, some go to the IPS, okay, some IAS, they want to do the service. Okay, so I am not saying that some people are just attracted to these service because of their like position. Some people are really genuine and they want to do something. So means why do you want to achieve that goal, what are your values, what are your, so means ethics, what do you want to do, that is also important to achieve your, means to set your goal. Okay, तो अगर आपको लगे कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो, व्हाट इज योर इंट्रिंसिक, मीन्स आपको अपने आप को जानना पड़ेगा, दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, नाउ so let's see why the goal setting is very important. So that is the second case. So let's see, this is the very famous quote by the Dennis Now what they are saying, the reason most people never reach their goal because that they don't define it. If I'm not defining my goal, I don't know where I want to reach, so how I will reach there? Okay, I don't know the plan, I don't know what is my specific goal, how to reach there, why should reach there. So means these are the things, and ever seriously consider them as believable or achievable. यानी आपने गोल बना लिया लेकिन आपको लगता है वो आप कभी अचीव ही नहीं कर पाओ, so they will never reach. Now the case of the winner, what we are saying winner, I am not saying winner means all the people who are accomplishing everything. Winner, the person who is what he wants and he is achieving them. So winners can tell you where they are going, so they know what is they are doing exactly. इस आज जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, what I am doing today, how it will help after 5 years. So I am just making a goal for my lifetime, or maybe 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 20 year. So they are looking for the long term goal as well as the short term goal. What they plan to do along the way and how they will sharing the adventure. So you can see the many people they start in early age. So आप example ले सकते हो. We will say that is what, if we are saying simply Bill Gates started coding in the age of the 11 year only. Okay, so simply we can say in the early age he have started. The same way we can say the people like Sachin Tendulkar started playing in the age of the 15 in the World Cup. He started 15, 16. So means you are starting very early. Okay, because if you know you want to reach, then you will reach. Then only you will reach. Okay. Now, so goal setting, why the goal setting is important, how you should do goal setting. So goal setting is very important feature. Okay. Now first you have to analyze your strength. You know you yourself better, or maybe आप अपने आप को सबसे ज़्यादा जानते हो. तो what are your values? Okay, what do you want? What is your strength? So suppose I can say people first. I love to work with the people. Okay, we start from the why, means why I'm going to achieve this one. I don't want only power or only money. I want power. So people like join what they want to join the politics. Okay, some people like power of the idea, means if I work in this idea, what I will get. Okay, I want to achieve, means love is also important. I want to feel it. Okay, so all these are what you should know your values, you should know your strength, everything, and then you have to just set your goal. Now goal setting should be smart. So when we say smart, so it should be specific. Okay, it should be measurable. I will give the example. We are saying it should be attainable, means you can achieve. It should be what relevant to what you want to do, and it should be timely. Time based means time is a very important factor for the goal achievement. Okay, so let's see. Now the solution of the goal setting is what, when things are in vague, means I will say I would be healthy. But how you would be healthy? If I will say my goal should be specific, like I am saying for the healthy, I will run for the 30 minutes every day. Okay, or I can say I will do a 4 kilometer running every day. So this is a specific goal. Or maybe suppose I am building a very big company, so I will reach to 2 lakh customer by the end of the year. I am putting a goal in the January of the year. Okay, so that is the meaning of specific, not a vague goal. Some people say I would be healthy, I would be work hard. No, what is the meaning of work hard? आपको समझाना पड़ेगा. Measurable means, now this is a measurable goal. You can measure each month. My goal is what, 2 lakh person, but I can measure it, means how much I have achieved. I can achieve in a month, in a day, or in an hour also. Okay, so like some people working on like in the tech companies, how they achieve, means this is a target I will reach to the 20 lakh student a year. So suppose I am going to start a YouTube channel and my target is what, by the end of the year I have 2 million subscriber. Okay, now I have to see if I am reaching what, 2 million means I am saying 20 lakh subscribers. So I am reaching 1 lakh subscriber a month. If not, then we are saying this is not attainable. So means you are saying attainable should be, goal should be attainable, otherwise it will frustrate you. आपको लगेगा आप अचीव ही नहीं कर पाओगे. So you are saying the goal is very big. Or similarly we are saying you have taken a goal which is like beyond your capability. So now I am saying suppose I am reaching 12k customer per month. So this my goal is what, attainable 2 lakh, because using the 12,000 per month I can achieve to 1 lakh 50,000. So I have to push myself to get the 2 lakh customer. Now relevant, I am saying what is the relevance of the, suppose I am running an online company, so I am achieving to the more customers, so definitely it will increase my business volume. So means it should be relevant, goal should be relevant to your aim, whatever you want. So means that should be relevant and timely to, so there should be a time limit. So I am saying 20 lakh customer in 20 year, no. So there should be time limit, so you should know means how much you have achieved or how much you have to work hard. Okay, now how to do that we are saying. So again, for the goal setting, you can use the planner also to check your progress and to organize. So some people use the diary. Okay, some people use what we are saying, this is what they use, the record, they use journal also. These are the things. And remember, if you are doing the same process, you will always get the same result. So always be ready to change your process, because if you are doing the same thing, you will get the same result. So if you want a different result you are not achieving, so just change your process. Okay, you have to change your process to achieve your goal. Now, to organize yourself, what you can take, you can take the help of the periodic diary or the calendar. So these are the some of the example where you can fill. So means what I have achieved, what are my plan, how I will achieve. So this is the use to organize. So definitely once you are organized, you can just measure yourself, you can check your progress, everything is possible in this case. Now the third and the most important factor in the demotivation, which is a fear of the failure. Okay, now what is the solution for that? First, you should not trust your capabilities. Means again I am saying this is a result of your analysis, self analysis. और आप, you will not lie to yourself, आप अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे. So we say trust your capability, first thing. Now, and just this is the result of your analysis. Imagine past, present and the future with the accomplishment. So means in the past, what are the thing you have accomplishment, how do you feel, how do you behave, you are just accomplishing anything. Suppose मैं बोल सकता हूँ, जब मैंने suppose मैंने college में एक कप जीता था, when I just won that cup in the cricket tournament, I was the what, suppose I was the winner, I was the captain of the winner team, then how did I feel? So you feel like that. Okay, so always try to feel the things, then only your fear would be reduced. Push your limit. Okay, because agar aap, because of the failure, if you are not judging your limit and not working on limit, so definitely you are going to fail. Okay, imagine the feeling after the accomplishment and how did you achieve that. So that's why the hum bolte simply, whenever we say if your hurdles are there, so this is an exercise the most of the motivator do, what they will say, just imagine your hurdle, उसको आप धुंधला बनाने की कोशिश करो, just push it hard, तो उसको आप पीछे धकेलिए. So means imagine this is a very small and then make it tiny. So try to make your hurdle very small, dull and remove it. And your achievement big, as vivid means rang biranga or big. So just means suppose I am going to be a IAS officer, then I am controlling a city, I am controlling the police department, then how I will work, how the people will behave. So you have to imagine this as the vivid. Vivid means we will say that is a means very colorful picture, very big picture. So you have to imagine that sense. And very important things, you are unique, so do not compare with others. If you are comparing, मतलब किसी के साथ compare कर रहे हो, so everyone is a unique. Okay, so means if you are unique, so your capabilities are unique, you cannot compare with other. Okay, so what other has achieved, maybe there are some other situation, some other external factors, so they are affecting, but you are unique, so don't compare with any other. Okay, let's see. So now these are the some of the statement which I am saying, believe in yourself. So you should believe in your capability, then only the fear of failure would be removed. Then the next thing, so limit exists only in the mind. Okay, अगर आप बात करते हो simply, so there are so many example or so many experiment we do for the limit existence. So suppose I am saying a very simple experiment. You keep a full glass of water, then we will say what is a weight. So weight of the glass of the water depends on the time. Why depends on the time? If you are keeping only 1 minute, then we will say this would be not tiring, but 2 minutes, then we are saying it is for 1 hour, it will making a egg. So we are saying you will get the pain. And if you are going for the 24 hours, the same thing we are saying the weight is increasing. So means this is your mind not your health. So means all the limit exists only in the mind. So you have to stretch your mind, you have to push your limit. So if you want to achieve something, that will motivate you. Okay. Now, everything you have ever wanted is sitting on the other side of the failure. Means this is a very good quote by the George Adair. So that says, means if you are fearing, definitely you are not going to achieve whatever you want. So means you have to cross your boundary and you have to go the side where the fear is. So you have to defeat the fear to reach your goal. Okay, if you can't defeat your fear, then definitely you are not going to achieve your goal. Now, so means one, find the limit. So means you don't know your limit, then you will not sorry, if you want to find your limit, you have to push yourself hard. Okay, this is a very simple funda, because इसके बहुत सारे example है. Like, so whenever the first time the 100-meter race, okay, was taken, so journal was the world record was the 10 second, but or maybe I don't know, remember the exactly, but this is what around it was the 12 second. So now once a person has achieved in the 11 second, after that around 40 people in the same month achieve is for 11 second. So means this is the limit. The people were thinking you cannot achieve this, but once the one person has achieved, all the people are pushing their limit. So once you push your limit, तो definitely you know your limit better. So इसका मतलब है जितना आप वर्कआउट करेंगे, so you can see so many things which are like difficult earlier time, now you can see these are achievable. Okay, so that is done only by pushing your limit. So we will say push yourself. If you push yourself, then only you will find your limit and you can be motivated. Now, this is again very important. Don't compare yourself to other, because I am saying you are a unique person. Everybody is a unique. So means you should compare yourself with yourself only. Okay, so means your competition would be with yourself only. So then only you will understand how much you have progressed. Okay, and this is the form. Once you have reached to the top, then imagine. So what is the situation? Always put you on the, like we are saying, once you have achieved the goal, what you are getting and what are the feelings you will get the feelings. So these are the things you have to imagine. Okay. Now the another important factor is the procrastination, means delay. आपको लगता तो है मेरा गोल है, मैंने सब बना लिया, लेकिन मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. टाइम इज नॉट, आई डोंट हैव अ टाइम और थिंग्स. So that is a very important factor is what? Do not confuse between the goals, means you cannot. So this is a very simple funda. If you chase for 2 rabbit, you won't even catch one. तो इसका मतलब है दो नाव में पाँव नहीं रखेंगे. तो if you are going to 2 sides simultaneously, you will not achieve that thing. So that's why break, first find a single goal. That is the first thing. Then we are saying, if you think your goal is big, you cannot achieve. The most of the people think it is a very big, I will take some time then. So break down into the problem into the chunk and down doable immediate action which is doable. So means take the action. मैंने इस, what is my problem? Suppose I am saying I am preparing for the IAS, and there are, we are saying, suppose I have taken 2 subjects, but these subjects are very big. So I will say one subject, I am taking one subject, there are 10 section, I am starting with the first section only. So this is the doable, I will start with that one. Okay, so always break your problem and chunk it down to the immediate doable. Next action you can take immediately, जो आप जल्दी से जल्दी कर सकते. Action is very important. Once you started taking action, then we will say procrastination would be it would be removed. What one is a major long-term goal you have absolutely dedicated to achieve in the over next 12 months? So that is the, you have to write down, and then choose your habit. So means most of the time people don't make a habit, and the generally we say if you do something for the 21 days regularly, so that make your habit. So suppose you are waking up at a 5 a.m. morning every day, just try for 21 days. So this is a very popular saying in psychology. If you do anything for the 21 days regularly, that becomes the habit. अगर आप रोज 5 बजे उठने की आदत लगाते हैं, तो आफ्टर 21 days you don't need any alarm. Okay, and just this habit should be what? So we can say one new habit you can form, such that by forming it you can achieve your goal. Suppose I want to make a tech company. So can I do a programming? If I don't do a programming, I have to do a programming. So I have to understand the network, I have to understand the internet, everything. So that is a very important thing. So that should be my habit. Okay. Now again, the people think you will get. So result is not very, you should be what? Patience. You should have patience, because result, you will not achieve the result immediately. So it takes time. So the important part, you should enjoy the process and the journey. So to achieve the goal, and always start taking action. Once you started taking action, your procrastination would be removed. Okay. So now let's see. So first thing, how to goal setting, we are saying this is the thing. So we are saying this is a quadrant. First we are saying important, then we are saying not important, then we are saying urgent, not urgent. So if you talk about this one, these are the important thing and these are the urgent. Like I say, urgent thing is what, important is what, I want to clear my IES examination or IES. Okay, but I cannot take, this is not urgent because I cannot take the decision right now, because I have to take the exam in the next year. But I am saying I have to take my mental health also, and I am sick. So this is the immediate action and this is the urgent also. So you have to differentiate. So which is the first step you have to take, which is important as well as urgent. Second is the thing which is important but not urgent. Then if it is something which is not important, you can leave it. If it is a distraction, urgent also. You think it's urgent but not important, leave it. Okay, so third and fourth quadrant are not to do. ओके, जनरली दीज आर द लीस्ट. सपोज मैं बोलता हूँ कुछ भी इमीडिएट एक्शन है जो आपको लगता है अर्जेंट है, और मैं बोलता हूँ सपोज मुझे मूवी देखने जाना है, विच इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट बट अर्जेंट है क्योंकि टिकट खत्म हो जाएगी, सो आई विल नॉट टेक दैट एक्शन. सो दीज आर द टू थिंग्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, नाउ so suppose there are so many options, but I will choose a one particular option. So means you have to be clear about your goal. So your goal should be clear, it should be unambiguous, there should not be any ambiguity whenever you are planning your goal. So then only you can work hard or remove the procrastination. Okay, next thing, never or now. So means assume if you are not doing now, you will do never. अगर आपने आज ही नहीं किया तो कल आपके लिए कोई मतलब नहीं है, और you cannot do anyone. So do important things now before they become urgent. Okay, so once you are doing the things which are very important, then they will be what? So the means your list of the urgent would be reduced. Now this is the very important part, enjoy the journey. So most of the people or the travelers say they don't enjoy the summit. So if I will talk about the who are the mountaineer, they say we enjoy mostly the journey till the summit, because once you have reached to the summit, you have to find the another summit or another goal. ओके, समिट का मतलब है आपके पास चोटी, किसी भी आप चोटी में पहुंचना चाहते हो, तो चोटी पे पहुंच के उन्हें इतना मजा नहीं आता है जितना दे एंजॉय इन द जर्नी. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज वॉट एवर इज गोल, वॉट एवर योर वैल्यू, सो दैट वंस यू आर एंजॉइंग योर जर्नी, डेफिनेटली इट विल मोटिवेट यू. नाउ द मेक थिंग हैपन्स, डोंट procrastinate, means always take a action. So once you are taking the action, thing will happen. If you are not taking the action, definitely thing will not happen. So people say you will not you will not goal if you will not take a shoot. So means if you take a shoot, then only you can do a goal in the football. We are saying soccer. So if you want to take a goal, you have to take it action. Okay, and once you are doing, or once you are motivated and you are doing what you want, then success is there and you can go and get it. Okay, so that is the best thing, you can do it. And simply I will say, this is the last chart. We can say the way to motivate is, first we are saying what are values. So these are the value which will motivate you, how to reach or how to sustain your value. That is a very important thing. What are the things you are passionate about, so how this will help to make you the goal. Okay, what are your strength? Okay, once you are working on your strength, then only you can be motivated. Metaphor means you are assume yourself in the different situation. Metaphor का मतलब है simply trigger. So in psychology, the people say if there are some trigger, then the trigger can motivate you. Okay, simply. So you have to just what are the metaphor you are making. Okay, so once in a particular situation, you will be in a different feeling. Then execution, or we are saying action, is a very important to be get motivated. Once you are doing the action, definitely you will reach to the accomplishment, or you will just find your goal, or you will achieve. So that will motivate you more. And try to make your new habits which are beneficial for your goal. Okay, so if you are making a new habit, so definitely habit building is very important, and that would be help in the long time. So we are saying these are the some of the factor which can motivate you. Okay, so this is all about the today's class. So I hope this will help you to achieve what you want, and definitely if you keep these things in mind and you just repeat these things, so definitely you would be motivated and you will achieve what you want. In the last, if you want to go for the paid subscription, 1 month charge is a 5,000 rupees, and we will say the best program is the either 12-month program or the 24-month program. So if you are applying for the GATE 2021, then you should go for the 1 year program, the cost of which is 25,000, and you can get a discount of 2.5k, which is the 10% if you use my code, which is the live DSG. And for the if you are applying for the GATE 2022, then you should go for the 2 year program, cost of which is 30,000, and you will get a discount of 3,000 if you use my referral code. And the best thing is what you will get the definitely you will get the EMI option. So these are the like you can this will not give you the burden, so means these are the best program uh, by EMI you can achieve. And once you're taken the course using my referral code, send me the detail on WhatsApp or the Telegram ID, so I can give you the test series of the worth 1200 rupees. Okay, so this is all about the today's class, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not done, and join us on the Telegram. And this is my Telegram ID, so you can join me on the Telegram. So see you in the next class, and happy learning, and thank you very much.